Gnome. I almost play with this and then practice again. It's might as well I'll go live with you so I can chill in with you. So if you're watching out of hundreds of different videos I share with 40, so it's gonna be really cool. And then it's also just give you an idea and practice. Got a little bit of the fur. I don't know where's it come from, but it's really cool because you can pick it up. All you need is the 3D dual brush. Just come in your also in your 40 gel kits as well. So whenever you feel like it's getting a little bit dust or you know like have a residues on the tip, all you need to do is using alcohol and it's just wipe it off. You don't need any solution at all. So I'm gonna just get like a smaller beads. It's about the same size as a moonbeam, the small size of a moonbeam. But it depends on how long the nails. This is like probably about a now 1 inch and a quarter, 1 inch and a half. But then if some of you doing your clients really long, like a 2 inches nails, you can get in a bigger beads. So I'm gonna roll it to the beads, and it's not, you know, like tacky and sticky on your nails at all. So you can able to get the smaller beads, and I'm gonna just like place in here to create the nose from Gnome. Is that right? It looks like you can make a chocolate cookies.
Yes, you could.
And then you put a little bit of honest brow here. It makes like a cookie. It's cool though. All right, you can create so many different things. Like some of Glitz BA did a really beautiful works with. So finally, I got to do gnomes. I always wanted to just sit down and do it finally. So I'm like trying to do it in this, and it's really cool. If you don't like it, like say, oh my gosh, it doesn't look good, you can just roll this bead back up and then start it again. So I'm not gonna messing around with this because you can always go back and perfect it. So I'm gonna get like probably 2 beads of the solids, and I'm gonna make it like his like beer. Is that right?
That is
Like along his. Okay. Another one. You can always add more. And see, you can do it long. And it's really cool about this. You can give it like yourself. It's really cool 1 or 2 times. You get hang of it. You're being so satisfying your clients. And this is definitely going to take your 3D design to the next level. Only you need a 3D dual brush. In the other end is for you to do in your acrylics, liquid and powder. The second on this end that you're using it for your 40, your omega gels, and also 5D. And a lot of other nails. So I'm going to just like gently press. You don't have to do is really aggressive. Blend it. Then pull it down. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, chilling with me. Hey, anyone's like, I know that Dom, if you are here, you did it before. I'm so excited.
Yes, and very quick. So for the 40 gel will not get hard until you cure them.
Yes.
So you have all the time in the world to mold them, to do it however you like with them. And if you need to, you can roll them back up in the ball and restart again. It will only get hard when you cure.
Yep, it's not slowing. So now you can make it his like and then you can either using your dot tool or the tip of your 3D dual brush, and then give it a little bit like tap on this, poke it, or however to make it a texture. Either way, this one work, or and your dot tool, however it worked for you. I just give you both options to see what it works. This looks so cool.
Yep, and for everyone who's just tuning in, so we are making a Christmas gnome, in a way. Yes, it's a Christmas gnome.
And then you can always cure it. Like earlier, you can cure his nose for a little bit. Flash cure for 10 seconds. If you don't want, leave it alone. Because as I said, you don't have to be frustrated about make it perfect. Because you can always go back and adjusting it as you prefer. I'm going to leave it alone like this. I'm going to go ahead and create is like the Christmas hat. Maybe I want to do this time, I want to do the pink one as a lover. Because I said, I want to do all different colors and see what is normal looks good in different colors. You can create any color